Okay, shout out to Mark. There's like several options in nudes and stuff, extra noodles I should say. So let's do it together. There's a couple of them. There's no one of them just no veggie at all. So we're gonna make it happen. So we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 noodles. And so many noodles. I guess let's do a quick update. My purveyors have called. So I know I haven't really spoken about my noodles and stuff. So these are specifically made for me. I have a company that makes the noodles, and I just order from them 100 cases at a time, if that makes sense. And then it sits in a warehouse in California, and then when I need it, they just ship it to a corresponding warehouse here in New Jersey. And I don't want to say it's difficult, but I want to say it's like the biggest brunt of the cost in one go. Hold on, chicken broth, 2 chicken broth, 2 chicken, 1 miso. I was looking at the which broths they want. So miso there, chicken. They mentioned that my noodles, I mean, a lot of everyone's imported goods are pretty much tariffed now. So I was talking to several of my colleagues who do Italian pasta making, and they mentioned that all their stuff literally exponentially just went up like $10. It's a lot. It's a lot. But in the same token, my noodle people, they said that it was going to increase. I just need 1 fried chicken. It was going to increase by $8. So as of current, I'm paying $36 a case. It's a really good price because it is corporate. But I have my own spec on the noodles. And I had to pay a fee to get the die cut. Sam, oh, where's Sam? Let's fire this now. And they said it was going to increase by $8. So I have to reprice this stuff again, and it's going to be difficult, man. Hold on, we need a bow. We'll do Sam's ticket also in one go. Just write their names. So we got Mark and Sam. Mark, Sam, strong start to our day. That's what we want to see. Let's get another little pack in there. Let's get another thing of miso here. But yeah, the noodles are going up. The proteins, I should say, I haven't on any of my purveyors, it hasn't increased as of yet. So for the time being, we are good on the prices of those, but I can only assume eventually it will all rise, because that's just how It's just how tariffs work and inflation. Okay, so chicken noodle for this one. Chicken noodle for that one. Okay. Also gonna need that for the bowl. Okay. All right, we got all of our mise en place together. I did see a chicken. I just didn't see that's right. Fire it on. Small guy here. Chicken ramen. Okay, now we are good, I promise. Is that everything? Can we start making stuff? Okay. Let's go start making the stuff. Let's drop the noodles. While that's going, let's mix the broth for the miso. Like so. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then let's get the other 3 going right now. Down. Okay. That's for the bow. Oh. And now we need 2 orders of pork. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 orders of pork. So I'm doing a little, not necessarily an experiment, but I am slightly changing the spec. So when already I rolled them up when I cooked it. We'll see. Maybe it's easier. Maybe it's not. As of current, it's a lot more work to do it this way, but it's alright. Okay. We have all the sides there. Cool. Bow. And then first one, it's just a regular chicken. Second one, with pork. Okay, with pork. Third one, this one is pork and chicken. Pork with chicken. Okay, cool. And then miso. And then for Sam, it's just a regular. Just a pork. Oh, I forgot. this is the sky, and I was like, what is going on? I need this one. Okay. First one looks like it doesn't want any veggies. Second one, no veggies either. And this is the only one that's normal, so veggie on Sam. I mean, it looks much nicer. you know? But we'll see. I'll wait for some feedback, and then it's the chicken. Okay, this is chicken ramen, no veggies. Okay, cool. I don't want to do that. This one is BYO plus pork. BYOB. Build your own bowl, that's what it is. Plus pork. Okay. And then this is the one with plus fried chicken katsu. Miso plus katsu. Cool. These guys, 2 for Sam, and then pretty much the sides of the noodles for that guy. This is for Sam himself. So, and then that's it. It was a solid first order. Saturday. I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. No. There. Okay. For the bow, this gets the drama mayo. Oh, excuse me. The spicy miso pickles. A little bit of scallions. Call it a day. I'm also gonna give them a drink here. Cause it's Sam, you know. Literally one of the regulars. We gotta take care of people, so we'll give them a lychee. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your first orders, and then I will see you when I see you. Peace.